In the heart of a bustling city, under the glow of neon lights, a young woman named Maya sits in her cozy office. She's surrounded by computers and digital devices, each one humming softly as they process data at lightning speed. As she types away on her keyboard, the room is filled with an almost palpable sense of anticipation for what lies ahead. Maya's job isn't just a career, it's part of something much bigger. She works in AI development, creating algorithms that can learn and adapt to solve complex problems faster than any human could ever manage. Her work might seem mundane today, but she knows better. She sees the future clearly, where machines like her creations will transform every aspect of our lives. But as powerful as these technologies are becoming, a growing fear lingers in many corners of society: will AI replace all jobs? The question isn't just about losing employment, it's about survival. How do we ensure that humanity thrives alongside this technological marvel? To understand the scope of this issue, let's take a step back and look at how far we've come. In 2015, when Maya was still in college, AI was largely seen as something from science fiction, advanced but distant. Fast forward to today, and it's hard not to see its presence everywhere. Self-driving cars navigate city streets with ease, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa handle our daily tasks, and even in fields like healthcare, AI is making groundbreaking advancements. The pace of innovation has been relentless. In just a few short years, what seemed impossible became reality. But as we stand on the brink of an era where machines are capable of doing nearly everything humans can do, and often faster, questions begin to arise. What happens when technology surpasses us? Is there any job left for human beings? To explore this question further, let's delve into some historical context and look at what happened during previous technological revolutions. Historically, each major innovation has in the heart of our bustling cities, towering skyscrapers stand like sentinels over a landscape that's quietly transforming before our eyes. The skyline is no longer just about commerce, it's also a symbol of humanity's relentless pursuit to harness technology for better living conditions and economic prosperity. Yet, amidst this grand narrative, a subtle yet profound question looms: will artificial intelligence replace all jobs? Imagine stepping into the year 2045, where the world you once knew is unrecognizable. The streets are quieter than ever before, the hum of traditional industries has given way to a more serene atmosphere. Factories and bustling workshops that were once the backbone of local economies now sit idle or repurposed for other uses. This change wasn't just abrupt, it was slow, gradual, and inexorable. The transition began subtly in the early 2020s with simple tasks being automated. Robots started taking over mundane jobs like assembly line work and data entry. But as technology advanced, so did its capabilities. By mid-century, AI systems were not only handling routine tasks, but also complex decision-making processes that required human intuition. Let's dive into the story of John, a factory worker in 2035 who found himself replaced by an AI system. He had worked on the assembly line for over 2 decades, his hands deftly moving parts and components with practiced precision. But one day, he was shown to a machine that could do exactly what he did but faster, more efficiently, and without breaks. John's story is not uncommon, it's part of a larger narrative where AI has become ubiquitous in every sector: manufacturing, healthcare, retail, even agriculture. The impact on employment patterns is profound. Jobs are disappearing at an unprecedented rate as machines take over tasks that humans once did with ease. But this isn't just about the loss of jobs, it's also about what's being gained. In many places, AI has freed up human labor in the heart of Silicon Valley, under a sky dotted with twinkling lights from countless data centers. A question looms large over our future. Will artificial intelligence replace all jobs? This isn't just another tech debate, it's a profound shift that could redefine human existence and society itself. Imagine walking through the halls of an office building in 2035. The air is filled with the hum of servers rather than chatter from people. Employees, dressed neatly but perhaps looking more like data analysts than traditional office workers, tap away on their keyboards or adjust settings on monitors that display complex algorithms and graphs. This isn't just a change, it's a transformation where machines have taken over the routine tasks once handled by humans. The question is, how did we get here? And what does this mean for our future? Let's travel back in time to 2015, when smartphones were still a novelty and self-driving cars seemed like science fiction. That year marked a turning point where artificial intelligence, AI, began its rapid ascent into the mainstream. Companies started deploying AI systems to automate tasks that once required human effort, everything from customer service chatbots to inventory management in warehouses. Fast forward 5 years, and we find ourselves on the cusp of a new era. The first wave of job displacement hit industries like manufacturing and retail, where robots and automated systems took over mundane but essential tasks. But now, AI is venturing into sectors once considered safe from automation, fields such as healthcare, finance, and even creative arts. In hospitals, for instance, AI-driven diagnostic tools can analyze medical images with unparalleled precision, often outperforming human radiologists in speed and accuracy. In the financial sector, algorithms predict market trends more effectively than seasoned traders. And in advertising, AI generates personalized content that tailors to individual preferences, making campaigns more effective. These developments have led some to fear an impending apocalypse where machines will take over all jobs. But this narrative is far too simplistic. In the heart of Silicon Valley, under a sky painted by the early morning sun, we find ourselves at the edge of an unprecedented era. A place where the lines between man and machine blur in ways that challenge our very understanding of what it means to be human. Today, we delve into the most pressing question of our time: will artificial intelligence replace all jobs? The halls of tech giants are filled with machines that hum softly, their circuits whispering secrets only silicon can hear. These machines promise efficiency and speed, but at a cost? As we step inside these sprawling campuses, it's easy to feel both inspired and wary. Let's consider the numbers first. According to recent studies by McKinsey Global Institute, automation has the potential to displace up to 800 million workers globally over the next decade or so. That is an unimaginable number of lives affected, each with their own unique story. But it's not just about jobs, it's also about skills and adaptability. Imagine a world where your job can be replaced by a machine that works faster, more accurately, and without needing breaks. The implications are staggering. Some predict that we might see the rise of entirely new industries driven by AI, such as data analysis, robotics maintenance, and specialized software development. These jobs require skills like problem solving, creativity, and critical thinking, traits traditionally associated with human intelligence. However, many fear this transition will leave behind a trail of unemployment and economic instability. The question then becomes, how do we prepare for the future? Can education systems adapt quickly enough to teach our children not just what they need to know but also how to think? One promising solution is reimagining education from the ground up. Instead of focusing solely on rote learning, schools could integrate more practical and real-world applications. For instance, students might learn coding alongside history or biology, giving them a broader skill set that's more versatile in an ever-changing job market. But beyond just technical skills, as we look to the future, a question looms large over society: will artificial intelligence replace all jobs? The implications of this scenario are vast and can reshape not just our economies but also our very way of life. Let's explore how AI could transform various industries and what that might mean for us. In manufacturing, robots have already taken root on assembly lines, performing tasks with precision and speed that humans simply cannot match. While this has led to increased productivity and efficiency, it raises concerns about the fate of millions of workers whose jobs are becoming obsolete. Some see these changes as inevitable progress, driven by technological necessity. Others fear a dystopian future where machines dominate human labor. The service sector is another area ripe for AI disruption. Chatbots can now handle customer inquiries with remarkable accuracy and speed, while self-driving vehicles promise to revolutionize transportation. This shift could lead to significant job displacement in industries such as retail, hospitality, and transport. Yet, it also opens up new opportunities for innovation and collaboration between humans and machines. Healthcare is a field where AI's impact might be most profound yet ethically complex. Diagnostic algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data more quickly than any human doctor could. This has the potential to save countless lives by identifying conditions early on or recommending personalized treatment plans. However, it also raises questions about privacy and who holds responsibility if an algorithm makes a critical error. Education is another sector that faces transformation with AI. Personalized learning platforms can adapt to each student's pace and style of learning, potentially tailoring education more precisely than any human teacher ever could. But this shift might widen the gap between those who have access to these tools and those who do not. The creative industries are often seen as safe from automation because they rely heavily on human creativity and emotion. Yet even here, AI is making inroads. Music creation software can compose songs that sound indistinguishable from those made by humans. Art generated through machine learning algorithms already sells for thousands of dollars. As we look to the future, it's easy to feel a mix of excitement and trepidation. The rise of artificial intelligence, AI, has brought us closer than ever to a world where machines can perform tasks that once seemed exclusively within human reach. But as AI continues to evolve at breakneck speed, questions loom large: will these intelligent systems replace all jobs? And if so, what does this mean for our future? Let's consider the path we've traveled. Just decades ago, the idea of a world where robots do much of the heavy lifting might have seemed far-fetched. But now, AI is not just an abstract concept, it's transforming industries across the globe. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis tools, from financial trading systems to customer service chatbots, AI has integrated itself into nearly every aspect of our lives. However, with these advancements come concerns about job displacement. The fear that machines will take over all human roles is both understandable and complex. It's important to remember that while AI can excel in specific tasks, it lacks the creativity, empathy, and adaptability found only in humans. Jobs like teaching, nursing, creative writing, and counseling are likely here to stay because they require more than just processing data or executing algorithms. But even as we recognize these differences, there's still a significant shift happening. The way work is done has changed dramatically already, with many jobs evolving into new forms. For instance, a customer service representative might now handle complex queries that an AI couldn't yet understand fully, while the robot deals with simpler tasks more efficiently. This transition doesn't mean the end of human employment, rather, it suggests a need for us to embrace continuous learning and development. As technology advances, so must our skills. The future isn't about avoiding change but preparing ourselves for new possibilities. Education systems will play a crucial role in this shift, equipping students with not just technical knowledge but also the soft skills that machines cannot replicate. Moreover, as big ideas shape tomorrow, subscribe to be part of what's next.